gozaimasu, it's Mikan and welcome to my channel. Today a video a little bit special because I am unboxing the package sent by NorthernSpell on Instagram because I won her prize and I am so glad she did the giveaway. Like she by the beginning I started to follow her like years ago, and she already did like a bunch of giveaway, and I think 3 big giveaway, and this one that I won is the 3rd one. But that time I was like, okay, I really please Kami-sama Doka, I really want to win this prize, I really want to win this giveaway. And you know what? I won, so I am so exciting, and she is so kind as well, because at the start in the rules of her giveaway she said that if you live in Europe then the shipping is for free for you, and I am in France, so I was like, okay, can you send it me in France and I will have this when I go to Japan with me. And she was like, I don't know if I can like send you before your departure for Japan. So the thing is that she didn't send me to France, she directly sent me in Japan, because it's been 1 month I think that I wait for this package. But I was like, but I can pay the half of the price for the shipping, I don't know. But yeah, she sent me my package, which is just here, and I'm so glad. And there is a little that I'm gonna put in my Hobonichi. So she was like, oh, you're gonna do unbox it, but the package is not really cute. And I'm like, are you kidding? Like, it's not just a plain carton, a plain box, you know, it's there is pink stars on it. So, and this box is worth more than $600. I don't know, dollar, just say dollar. So let's unbox it. I don't know. I really want to keep these stickers, so I'm gonna try to not destroy it. Take this out for my Hobonichi. Yes, thank you, focus. This is nice. Now come to me back. Back. Oh my god. Congratulations on your prize, and sorry for the delay. It's fine. I am so glad anyway. I wanted one so badly, but like the pastel pink one, you know, and I'm so glad. She put some sparkling inside. Oh my god. Yay! I want to cry. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. And there is a bunch of pins inside, and I already saw like a few of them that I really wanted to have in my collection, and And also sorry if my voice is like weird because I start to feel a little bit sick. So anyway, I am so glad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to die. Did she put the new one? Wait. She just like opened her shop again this night, like 5 hours ago, maybe. And are you kidding me? Like this one that she gonna release in her shop. I'm so glad. But there is everything that I wanted. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh she. Oh, did she know? Oh, I'm so glad. I want to cry. Oh my god. Well, this one, which is a new one of her collection, I believe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, well, so is it the black card, the new ones? I think, maybe. I keep like searching for the black one, and oh my god, it's beautiful. It's everything that I wanted. Like this one, I really wanted the white and pink one, and the cat one as well. I'm so glad. Thank you so much. So. I'm so glad. I don't know where I can put everything. Where? I don't know. But the bag of my dreams. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, she bought me a bunch of these clips if I've lost one of my pins collection. That's so nice. Well, I am so glad. I don't know how this video gonna turn out because it's just me unboxing and like but well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much NorthernSpell or Twin for this giveaway. I am so glad. You can't imagine how happy I am right now, like thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video with me unboxing these babies, and see you on the next one. Love ya, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Bye.
楽しみにしてるぜ。